idea how to get to the site of the Club de Aeromodelismo Tenerife, which is located in the south end of the island. I'm currently on the TF1 motorway heading north, which is the direction you would travel if you were staying in the south, somewhere in the Los Cristianos or Playa de las Americas area. And the flying club site is accessed directly off the TF1 near the port of Granadilla. Now the actual flying site itself is about a kilometre or so off the TF1 and is accessed up a track through an agricultural area, which could be a little bit difficult to find if you're a newcomer. So the exit to look out for is this one that we're just approaching now, which is very distinctively marked by, I call it the shark fin exit, because there's a rather obvious shark fin like structure on top of it, and that is the exit which you have to take, coming from either direction, of course, on the motorway. So you may be able to see in the video that it's exit number 51 and it's access B into the Granadilla Port industrial estate. And in fact, initially we actually head directly toward the Granadilla industrial estate, and in front you can see the power station at Granadilla and the water desalination plant and the construction of the big port, which is currently in progress here. Then we get to this roundabout where we have to do a 180 reversal to start heading back in towards the centre of the island. And now directly in front of us you may be able to see Mount Tady. It's the highest point directly in front, and we're about to cross over the TF1 with the shark fin device on our left. Don't take that road to the right there, which would take you back onto the TF1 heading towards Santa Cruz. So here we go, over the TF1, and you have to look out for an entrance into the agricultural areas, which is coming up here just on the left hand side. Do not continue on round or we'll be back on the motor again. So it's Camino Agricola signposted. We head in left here just by the bus stop that you see. So we carry round here, and directly ahead is now the entrance up into the agricultural areas, which is a right turn. Don't continue on to the left here, you let that dead end. So we now head into the track proper. It's all a bit rough and bouncy from here on in. Actually quite straightforward as far as directions from here. Just a matter of having the confidence that you're heading in the right direction. Okay, so there we have it. That is the access up to Club Aeromodelismo Tenerife.